I could do that. I could do that. I could do that. Yeah. Hi there. Nice to meet you. Yes, you right there, I see you. Call me Davis, no, not famous, but don't sleep, I creep on playlists. This rhyme scheme perfect for Matrix. Now I can rhyme that with agent. Here's a punchline about Trinity. Rock with predictable cadence. My time is not examination. I mean, don't test my patience. That's deep. Don't know why all my life been a black sheep. Really, I'm a good guy, I'm mad sweet. Get slapped, turn the other cheek, yeah, that's me. Best believe that my wife is mad fine. I gotta look twice every time that she passed me. Got a little girl in the backseat. That's God's gift to the world if you ask me. That's my gift to the world if you ask me. Got my girl and she got my world in the backseat. Time is money, spend that like a mad cheap. Run this race like Bolt at the track meet. Run this track like you saying. I won't stop to hear what you saying. Say I'm too hot, like two flames on two wicks. This too strange, I'm too lit. You knew this till God called me my new name. Call me Davis, far from famous, but don't sleep, I creep on A-list. These rhymes are not to be played with. Look,
you see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but it's he in me. Oh, 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 oh.
As I travel this road of light, with the road in light, where the slang is engraved with a slavery language, and the streets are paved with the pain of slave ships. Still I submit to it, falling stiff to it. How can I never get a fit to it? I see heaven at the end, I'm trying to get to it. Scared to get lost and I admit to it, so I stick to it. This routine, me and my constituents got it down back so we can live through it. With no love, no heart, not a glimpse of it. Rules covered the religion, hold it intimate. Thinking we live life, but we hinder it. It's ironic the way that we cling to it. Hold the fountain of youth, but never slip from it. Lifestyles of the young and the ignorant. Insolent.
Why do we think I'm so high?
Inconsiderate.
You were sitting on Jesus' shoulders the whole time.
Neither me, myself, or I
can help the
fact I won't survive.
Been held back
by the hand of God.
Where we sit there.
Throne is made alive, don't escape from my king to hang and die. Things be claiming by people say that I've lost my brain, but I found my heart, I climb my cross and I hang myself to my flesh to stay alive. Blood to stain my eyes, ripped inside fabric, held by the stitches, tied by the word of God, with his hands reaching outside the side.
Eyes on the king, but I'm feeling so low. I'm with the king, feel like I'm riding solo. Fire rain on my head, warm my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love you to death. Still I die for my king, feeling like I won't go. I fly on his wings, feeling like I can't flow. Fire rain on my head, warm my cold soul. Crucify the flesh, love me to death. Stigmata. 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 Eyes on the king, but I'm feeling so low. I'm with the king, feel like I'm riding solo. Fire rain on my head, on my torso. Crucify the flesh, love you to death. Stigmata. Die for my king, feeling like I won't go. Fly on his wings, feeling like I can't float. Fire rain on my head, on my torso. Crucify the flesh, love me to death. Stigmata. Lord, I can see the scars on my hand. Reminder that I'm only a man. Yeah, Lord, I can see the scars of your hand. Reminder that the pain is a part of the plan. I'm crying, don't go. I could barely fight it in my own soul. At times I wanna climb into my old robes, embrace the evil ways that I've been known for, what you atone for. And I know what you see in me. You see the truth, see the me in me. You see enough to believe in me. You see your son, but it's he in me. It's he in me.